Good evening, everyone. Welcome to 643boxbreaks.com and 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 good evening, everyone. Welcome to 643 box. Sorry about that. Had my sound still on. 159. All right, so this is Artifacts. Here's our list of winners. Yeah, Bluesguard, Sean, Steve, Rich. Good Jack. Bluesguard got the Oilers last week for getting a Hall of Fame hit in last week's box of Artie. You got to choose any team you wanted, and he picked the Oil. Todd's got the Panthers, Flyers Takedown, Kings. Wes, you got the Preds. Aaron had Philly for free for a hat trick bonus. The Maple Leafs were donated by Jack to Mike. So you got those, Mike. We had Johnny Canuck in there. Aragorn, Jenny, and the HCGU slot went to Aaron. Massive pot hauled last week on that pile about that high of cards. All right. What teams did you have? You had Columbus, Carolina. That's it. Columbus and Carolina. All right, first things first, before we get to the box, couple bonuses to go over. The buy five, get one bonus. Reggie, you had 5, and Aaron, you had 5. So you each get one free team in the next Hat Trick Customer Appreciation Break. Once it fills, I will send you an email. And then the Game Use bonus went last week, but I started a new one. And that's about it. Let's go. 221-307-127. Hopefully we can get some hits like we got last week, because they were huge. Huge box last week. Check out Brian's 500th. It's going live in about 20 minutes. I'm hoping I'll be done by then so I can snag the teams that I want as well. All right. Good luck, guys. Pack one. Hopefully we are in the same ballpark as last week's box. First hit's going to the Sharks. And Reggie, you got a rookie redemption numbered 174 for the Sharks. Brian Campbell, Shea Weber, and Tamas Delaney are the 3 cards. We're looking for always Stalls and Sedins. Those equal bonus packs. Michel Goulet. We have an Ovi going to the Caps and Yotes Fanatic. Numbered at a 125. Marcos hit and a Seabrook. 1 for the Caps and 1 for the Sharks. Next pack. Nice. Hit number 2 for Wes. Evgeny Kuznetsov. Top rookie signatures. You do not see many of those, and he is one of the best rookies in this year. Nice hit. Can't complain about that one. Aaron Hartnell. No Jets yet, just been 3 packs done so far. Peter Forsberg. Hit going to the Ducks. And Reggie, 2 for you, 2 for Wes. 3 gets you a free team. That's numbered at a 599. Cam Fowler. Josh Bailey, Brian McKell. And I am actually doing another auction tomorrow night with all the regular bonuses, trivia, and all that. So Todd's not unable to break, so I'm going to take his slot just for this week. So check out my auction tomorrow, and yeah, it'll be the same time. Detroit, going to Reggie. Teemu Pulkkinen, $4.99, hat trick for you. So the hat tricks are going to be in next week's break because I already have tomorrow's posted, and I can't exactly give free teams in a break that's already up. So next Wednesday I'm going to be doing contenders, so any free teams are going to be in contenders. Getzlaff. We have a Dallas hit for Sean. Letnin. Chason. Thunder Tandems. And Matt Reed. Turris. Corey Schneider for the Devils. And Aaron. Numbered out of 125. And the Nuge. 3 to go. Jumbo Joe, Brett Hall. Got a Pens hit for Aaron. Hit number 2, Paul Coffey, Emerald out of 99. Drew Doughty, hoping for a patch. Another Corey Schneider. That is 3 for Aaron. Hat-trick Aaron. That one's at a $9.99. Anderlad and George Larocque. And the last pack. Hoping they didn't cheat us. Didn't see a patch, but could be something good in here. It is Florida going to Todd. Vincent Trocheck. I'm at 9 out of 9.99. Odd box. With all the good cards in last week's box, apparently. Paul Coffey and Brett Park. Huh, not even a wild card. Nelson Mandela, yeah. I saw that. That was hilarious. All right, so that's the box. I'm going to do the 2 hat tricks right away because half the time I forget them. So I'm going to do those right away. First, I'll do Reggie. He got his first. This will be in next week's contenders. Dropping on the old Plinko board as per usual. 17. There we go. There you go. You got the Leafs. And Aaron gonna get that's the Sharks. There we go. Those will be in Wednesday's break. Next up, streaking. Actually, let's do a HTGU bonus. So that went last week. There has been 1 mem drawn out of this box. There's 1 left. I started it out with a nice card, a patch of Vinny Lecavalier. These are numbered out of 9. And if anybody has any of these, this is a double, so I'm going to give it away. But if anybody has any of these, I'm working on the set. I have 45 of 60. I've been working on it since 11/12, so hit me up if you have any. But this one's going in the pot. And Aaron bought the slot, so I'm going to open a pack for her. I'll go top left, top right, I mean. See what we got. Got a young gun. Ryan Murray. That goes into the pot. And I'll add a couple nice cards each week. Or each break. Alright, so for the next one, I will roll the dice. Wire is caught. There, guys. $12 for the HTGU slot. A chance to win those cards. Whoa, just about in the bonus. Blues. And the Blues are Reggie. Is Reggie online? Reggie's not online, so I'm just going to draw a pack of random for him. And if he gets a mem card, there's one left in the box. Then he wins the pot. I'll go bottom left. I keep the box exactly as it comes from the factory. I do not move the packs. There we go. Boom. There you go, Reggie. You got yourself a Dino Ciccarelli, a Ryan Murray, and your Vinny LeCavalier. And that will open a new box. So that one is done. Kick him out of the way. Yeah, it just goes into my bonus pack box. Basically. What's next? We have streaking next. So those all went to Reggie. Congrats. There'll be a new pot next week and a brand new box. And I'll start it out with a good card. Don't worry. So the streaking update is for National Treasure slots. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 given away so far. And the streaking update is Steve, SMGNAS at 7, Rich 5, Reggie's at 3, Aaron's at 2, and Jack's at 2. And to go along with that bonus, always do a get out of jail free card. Continue a streak. Coming down 1. Here we go. Maybe Legends bonus. Hawks. The Hawks. Reggie. There you go, man. Your streak is at 3, and you gotta get a jail free card, so it'll at minimum go to 4. That's good for if you miss a break. I will automatically apply it to your streak. All right, now we have Legendary Luck. Yeah, the Legends don't last long. I keep them fresh. On the right-hand side, we have Brian Leach. Otto. Dual Mem from National Treasures. On the right side, we have a JR, Jeremy Roenick patch from National Treasures. So you guys know the drill. 1 to 5, 25 to 30. Crap, there's a lot of numbers named off. I'll just take them in order. 1, 29 to 30. All right, that's what I'll do. One. Dropped quicker than I hoped, but it went down 1. 29. Oh, looks good. Just about 2. Oh, here it goes. And 30. Damn. Very close. Right in the edge. It still may go, though. There's more stuff to come here. Next bonus I do is the National Treasures Duo bonus. So what that is if you buy 2 teams, you get chucked into this cup for a chance to win a National Treasures auction slot team. So the people that have 2, Reggie, Jack, Aaron, Rich, Sean, Steve, and Wes. So I'm going to chuck in a team for each of you and draw it out and then give away a National Treasures team. All right, she can be the Oilers. Reggie. Jack can be the Habs. Aaron can be the Devils. Or the Rangers. Yeah, it can be the Rangers. They're right in front of me. Rich, he can be the Canes. Sean has his Bruins, I assume. He does. Steve, who do you have? Buffalo. Or Calgary. Calgary. And Wes, you have your Coyotes. All right. All in there. Draw one out. NT team coming up. Here you go, Wes. See what you're going to get. Just going to draw a chip. If I draw the chip that a team that's already been given away, I'll draw another chip until you get the team that's available. National Treasures you're going to get. Is Dallas available? Dallas is gone. Chicago is there. Nice. That's a good one to have. Chicago in National Treasures going to you, Wes. Congrats, man. All right. Now for the unadvertised bonus today, I have a hat trick hit draft live. Of course, I got to give away some slots in that. Let's check on the chat. So yeah, I'm gonna give away 2 hit draft slots, just in addition to the regular bonuses. I'm gonna do those via bucket. Or actually, do them via Plinko, so you got a chance of the Legends bonus hitting. So I'll check these back up. Then we get trivia, and Brian's bin or 500th goes live. Oh crap! I just lost a team. Brian's 500 goes live in about 5 minutes, so remember that. There he is. All right, for a hit draft slot. Dropping down 1. Good spot for a legend. Here we go. St. Louis. It's going to Reggie. Draft slot for you. Value of $30. That is prime. Lord Stanley's mug and decades. Slot 2. 29. Going to the Caps. And Wes. Good break for you, man. You got yourself a hit draft slot. I'll send it an email once that's full. We do the break, we do the random, and then you guys pick an order of the cards you want. All right. I'm burning through this trivia before that break goes live. So this is week 1 of Trivia King. I do 4 breaks and then give away $25. Last week, M26 became Trivia King for the 2nd time, winning another $25. Bidding credits. Today, 4 questions. Here we go. First question. Which team has won the most Stanley Cup championships of any NHL franchise based in the United States with 11? In the United States. Detroit is correct. M26 takes the lead. This one's a little harder for you. Stanley Cup related as well. What player, the only player to have their name engraved on the Stanley Cup as a player, this isn't a trick question, 11 times. One player in NHL history had their name engraved on the Stanley Cup 11 times. Who is it? Henri Richard is correct. Bullwinkle. There you go. Next question. What is the only name to ever be crossed off the Stanley Cup with a series of X's? Someone had their name engraved on the Stanley Cup that shouldn't have been there, and it was crossed out with X's. It was the father of someone that won the cup. Pocklington is right. Oh, that's a tough one. I gotta go with Mike on it. He said Pocklington. I'll take the last name. Basil Pocklington. So Peter Pocklington, when the Oilers won the cup in 83-84, he included his father on the list of people to be engraved on the cup, and the NHL didn't notice it. They engraved it on the cup and they X'd it out. That is also the only way you can tell the first original cup from the new replica cup that they use interchangeably. The replica cup has no Basil Pocklington on it, and the original puck is X'd out through his name. All right, so let's do a name that player. There you go. Name that player. That's not it yet. He is Swedish. I'll give you a hint. He plays on the Detroit Red Wings. Nyquist is correct. Sorry, I was buying the Leafs in Brian's break. That goes to Bullwinkle. I believe. Yeah, sure does. Sorry, guys. I know you're probably buying your teams in Brian's break. But that's trivia for tonight. The tally is M26 2, Bullwinkle 2. This is day 1 of 4. Tomorrow will be day 2, so trivia tomorrow night. Same time, same place. 2 boxes of titanium will be in auction with the regular bonuses. And usually something extra. All right, guys. That's the break. See you tomorrow.